Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making potato starch. This is an alternative if you don't have the classic cassava starch, so you can try this. It's good as well. So now let's get started. Here is the potato starch that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using 1 cup of this potato starch. So now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of the potato starch. Then for this 1 cup of potato starch, I'm going to be using 3 cups of water. And you need to stir it very well. You don't want to have any lumps inside your starch, so that is why you need to stir it very well. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of palm oil. If you want more oil, you can just add more to your taste. Then I'll take it to the stove. I'll continue to stir it slowly with a low heat. You don't want to use a high heat to make this starch. If not, your starch will fill up with lumps. I don't think you will like that one. So you need to use a very low heat to start to make your starch. You need to continue stirring your starch until your starch starts to form. And when your starch starts to form, you just need to stir it more faster so that you will not have any lumps inside your starch. So guys, a friend of mine that loves starch so much taught me about this potato starch, because anytime she wants to make starch, she tried to search for that Nigerian starch, but she never find it. So she tried this one and she said she likes it, and she taught me about it. So if you know you like starch like her, this is alternative for you. You can give it a try. It's good as well. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, setting the notification bell to all so that you never miss any of my delicious recipe that I'll be uploading in my channel. For my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and you can as well share my video to your friends and family. So at this point guys, I'm just going to be turning the starch until my starch is well cooked. When you see the yellow of the starch has popped out and a little bit darker, you know that the starch is ready. So guys, at this point I'm going to leave you, and I will see you in my next video with another recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.